OK. Excellent customer support and smooth setup process. Highly recommend. Perfect for solo travelers like me. I felt so much safer knowing I always had internet to check maps, book rides, and stay connected. It and number 39 is very cheap and works without any problems, so I and number 39 they used it many times and plan to continue using it in the future. 11.5G SNS. GPT TikTok. eSIM. QR. eSIM. I was glad that I was able to use it easily without any problems. The price was also reasonable, so I would definitely buy it again. Carrot. The setup was easy if you follow the instructions. The speed is good and it and number 39 is cheap, so I and number 39 do like to use it again. I use it every time. If I download it in Japan, I can connect as soon as I arrive at the airport and it and number 39 is smooth and comfortable. This was my first time purchasing from them, and I was able to connect comfortably without any issues while I was there. I plan to order from them again next time. It was easy to use and I think it and number 39 is a useful tool. The network is very smooth, easy to use, and the installation method is simple. I will buy it again next time.